Hi, and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different types of flannel scarves from pre-loved clothing. I used a pair of old pajama pants to make an infinity scarf and an old button-up shirt to make a frayed edges flannel scarf. To make the frayed flannel scarf, I just cut away the back part of the button-up shirt. Then I used a sharp tool to help pull the strings out so that I could have frayed edges. And this is what the scarf looked like when I was finished. Next, I used a pair of pajama pants to make my infinity scarf. I cut the pant legs off so that I could sew them together. Once they were cut out, I turned them inside out and pinned them together, being careful to match the pattern up as best as I could. Using my sewing machine, I sewed the pieces together. Then I took the fabric and I turned it back so that the right side would be facing out. Then I tried to match up the other ends together so that their patterns matched up as best as I could, and then I pinned them together. Then I used my sewing machine to sew them together. And this is what my finished project turned out to look like. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video.